It is said that during this ambitious drilling project, the scientists unexpectedly encountered something that can only be described as unearthly. The story goes that there was a sudden increase in temperature, workers started to hear peculiar sounds, and there was even the appearance of demonic entities. Frightened and overwhelmed, the researchers supposedly believed they had inadvertently opened a portal to hell itself. The story claims that the team of Soviet engineers led by an individual named Mr. Azakov lowered an extremely heat-tolerant microphone along with other sensory equipment into the well. The temperature deep within the well was 1000 degrees centigrade or 1832 degrees Fahrenheit. This chamber of fire is where the tormented screams of the damned were allegedly recorded.